You just uploaded a brand new YouTube short. You spent time editing it, making sure it's engaging, and you hit publish, excited for the views to pour in. But hours pass, then a full day, and your short is stuck at 0 views. No likes, no shares, no comments, just complete silence. If this has happened to you, you're not alone. Thousands of creators face this exact problem every single day. The worst part? Many of them give up, thinking their content isn't good enough. But here's the truth. Your shorts aren't failing because they're bad. They're failing because YouTube's algorithm doesn't even know they exist yet. Today, we're going to break down exactly why this happens and, more importantly, how you can fix it permanently. By the end of this guide, you'll know the secret triggers that force YouTube to push your shorts to thousands or even millions of viewers. YouTube Shorts don't work like regular videos. The algorithm doesn't just slowly push your content, it either boosts it aggressively or completely ignores it. And if your short gets ignored in the first 60 minutes, it's game over. The algorithm never tested your short. YouTube's system instantly judges whether your short is worth pushing. If it doesn't get immediate engagement, likes, comments, shares, YouTube assumes it's low quality and stops showing it. Your hook and first 3 seconds failed. If viewers swipe away in the first 3 seconds, YouTube kills your reach. Most creators make the mistake of slow starts. You need to grab attention instantly. You're using the wrong upload strategy. Posting at random times, using bad hashtags, or ignoring trending sounds can bury your shorts before they even start. Now that you know why it's happening, let's fix it step by step. The first hour after uploading is mission critical. Here's how to hack the algorithm. Engagement loop trick. Immediately after uploading, share your short on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Ask friends and family to like, comment, and watch it fully. Even just 5 to 10 people helps. Reply to every single comment in the first hour. This tells YouTube the video is engaging. Use the right hashtags. Our hash shorts must use this. 2 to 3 niche hashtags, for example, hash viral shorts or hash make money online. 1 trending hashtag. Check what's popular in your niche. Upload at peak times. Best times, 7 to 9 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. local time. Avoid dead hours like 3 a.m. and weekday afternoons. If people leave in 3 seconds, YouTube stops pushing your short. Here's how to fix it. The 3-second hook formula. Start with a question like, do you know why your shorts get 0 views? Use a shocking moment, maybe drop something unexpected instantly. Tease a payoff saying, I'll show you the secret trick at the end. Check your retention in analytics. If it's below 50% at 3 seconds, your hook needs work. But if it's above 70%, YouTube will push it hard. Reused or stolen content. YouTube absolutely hates reposts. Always film original clips. Bad thumbnails. Even though Shorts autoplay, a strong thumbnail really helps your click-through rate. Ignoring trends. Use trending sounds and challenges to ride the algorithm wave. If you've tried everything and still get 0 views, do this. 1. Delete the short. Don't private it, delete it. 2. Re-upload with a new title, hook, and hashtags. 3. Follow the 60-minute trick again. Sometimes YouTube glitches and doesn't push a short the first time. Your next short could go viral overnight. Now you know exactly why your shorts get 0 views and how to fix it forever. The key? Trigger the algorithm correctly in the first 60 minutes. Master your hook and avoid deadly mistakes. Your next short could be the one that explodes. So go apply these steps today and watch your views skyrocket. Have you ever had a short stuck at 0 views? What did you do to fix it? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth secrets.